Okay, today we're here at the Knott's Farm Taste of Boysenberry Festival, and I went to the Churro Factory where you get your the churro bites and the funnel cake fries, and then I saw a sign and it said Boysenberry Waffle Bites with Bavarian Dipping Sauce, so I decided to get that instead. So this, you can still get this on your card too. So I think the waffle is boysenberry. Oh yeah, you can kind of see the purple in the boysenberry in the in the waffle. Oh yeah, you can taste the boysenberry in the waffle too. So let me try it in the dipping sauce. It's still hot. Actually, I had to wait extra because they just ran out, so I waited 5 minutes for them to make mine. So it is fresh. Powdered sugar all over my face. Here you can see the purple of the boysenberry waffle bitter. I think this is the same cream they put when you get a stuffed waffle. They'll stuff it with Bavarian cream, strawberry, and I think boysenberry. And or, not all of them. Yeah, if you want a very sweet treat, this is very sweet. And the waffles actually cooked really well. The outsides are crisp, insides are a little fluffy still. So yeah, I like this one. So if you want to get some, go to the Gourmet Churro Factory and get it. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.